Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George, and today I'm at a brand new home in the town of Washington in the state of Utah, Washington County, Utah, and this one is in Washington, the actual town. So anyway, this one is a 5-bed, 4-bath, and then it has the attached 2-car garage. The door is open, as you can tell, and then the attached RV boat garage. The RV boat garage isn't quite as deep as some of the RV garages we've shown before, but this one is still really nice. It's 32 feet deep. It has a 12-foot wide by 14 door. So we'll go in and check it out. All right, coming up here in the front, we've got the steps with the little railing here. Kind of like a stamped concrete look here. And then we've got the nice big entry glass door. And the home's just getting finished up, so there's a couple things still missing. These little lights fixtures out here on the front. Has the rain gutters. It's got the white, kind of a shiplap, not shiplap, but kind of like a siding. And then it also has stucco, and then the brick, the painted brick. We'll head on. All right, coming on in the entryway here, you have the large porcelain tiles. And then the staircase that takes you up to the upstairs. Super tall entryway with a nice chandelier up above here. And then off to the right, you have the office area. Has the double black doors, they're 8 feet tall. And then the can lights in the ceiling and the ceiling fan, and then a window that looks out to the front there. Here's kind of the angle looking out. Some of the guys are here doing a couple touch-ups. All right, and then heading into the great room, you have the staircase here, and then under the stairs there's a little area for some storage. And then coming into the big open great room, it doesn't have the second level. As you can tell right here, there's still some touch up there on the floating shelves. It doesn't have the second level above, so they just left it open, so it has these giant windows. And then you can even have some decent views here. It's got a rooftop there, but good peekaboo views. And then coming into the great room, kitchen area. We'll kind of pan around and show you this giant fireplace with that porcelain tile, the black, all the way to the ceiling there. The big ceiling fan up there as well. The gas fireplace, that's a natural gas fireplace. No carpet in here, it's just tile. Here's a little better angle of the kitchen here. Has the quartz countertops, the island's black, the cabinets are white, they go to the ceiling. And then it has the backsplash with the drop-in cooktop. All the doors and drawers are the soft close. And you have the big farmhouse sink here. The stainless steel appliances, the black faucet. Kind of a different angle of the great room here. And then this over here takes you into the pantry. So it's kind of one of those hidden pantries. Come on in and turns over here. So it's got pretty good space. And then off of the kitchen, you have your mud bench area. This takes you out to the garage. We'll head there in just a minute. And then into the laundry room here, the nice big laundry room. Lots of quartz countertops and a sink and cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. The white cabinets and the black handles. Has the natural gas or electric, and then it's got the recessed dryer vent as well, and then there's a drain in the floor. And it's got the little hexagon tile floor. There's another angle of the great room, kitchen, dining area. From this angle, you can kind of see a little bit better view, kind of into the town and stuff. Nice little view. Heading over here off of the dining nook area. Back in here you have another bedroom, 2 bedrooms actually. It's got the can lights and the ceiling fan. The ceilings in here are 10 feet tall, and then they have the 8 feet doors. That's to the closet there. So then also on the main floor it has the master bedroom, and it's right here. It too has some of those peekaboo views. Has the can lights and the ceiling fan. Has the accent wall. Has the little lights that hang down on either side right there. So if you're sitting in bed, you can turn those babies on or off. And then into the master bathroom. It has that black kind of porcelain tile on the floor with the veins, the whitish veins in it. And then the white cabinets and the granite, or the quartz countertops, the black faucets, the soaker tub with the black hardware, and then a window above. And then over here you have your makeup vanity. And then this little area here is this another little storage linen cabinet area. And then coming over here, you have your walk-in tiled shower. Has the Schluter there. Has the rain head shower as well. And then the niche and the bench. And then there's another niche over on this side. And the tile goes all the way to the ceiling. Ran it vertical. All right, and then coming up in the stairway, you can see down into the entryway. You can also see down into this great room area, the tall fireplace, peekaboo views. And then they built a little wall here so the kids, when they're roughhousing, don't end up down on the bottom there. But it does have a little window that you can kind of see down into there. And there's a little storage closet over there for additional games and stuff up here in this TV room, playroom area. And there's the covered patio, or the deck rather. Has tile on the floor up here, has the black railing. And then you have a single-story home behind you, so you'll maintain these views. And you can see all the way into the town over there. In the evenings and mornings, of course, the lighting's a little better for the views. And then coming off that great room area, or second family room up here, you have the big bathroom here, full bathroom with the tub and a double vanity. And it follows that white and black theme. And then this goes into a bedroom here. And this door right here goes into that bathroom, so it's kind of has an attached bathroom, kind of ensuite type of a bedroom here. Ceiling fans and can lights. And then your walk-in closet there. And then continuing this way, you'll notice right here in the wall, this is for a central vacuum. You can plug that baby in and vacuum up the house. And then this goes into another little room here, bedroom, with ceiling fans and can lights. And then this goes into a bathroom. So you come on in here, it has its own attached bathroom. And then the tile shower. The accent kind of did those little penny tiles. And then they have the Schluter and then the black hardware. And then there's a little walk-in closet over here as well. All right, and then coming over here to the garage, you've got the two-car garage here with the LiftMaster MyQ garage door opener. And they went with the saw-cut concrete in the garage. And then you have the 12-foot wide by 14-foot tall RV/boat garage with that LiftMaster MyQ as well. And then there's a 220 plug here. It's just, and then a side door here that goes out to the side of the garage for additional room for RV parking as well. I'll open it up over here so you can take a look. So all this over here clear to the retaining wall is basically for side parking. So all in all, this baby is 3,809 square feet, 5-bed, 4 bathrooms, plus the office, 2-story home, attached 2-car, plus the RV garage. Brand spanking new. Give us a call if you have any questions, or you can find us online at mystghome.com. Thanks for watching. Dusty Wright, Keller Williams, the Wright team.